Hey guy, welcome to the video. Today we introduce a big one. It is the truth of XDOBO products. Home karaoke portable Bluetooth speaker with 200 watts. That's a lot of weight to hold in your hand. Let's see what else is there. Microphone, remote control, shoulder strap, cable, manual. Let's look at the microphone first. You can see it's well made. The surface is mostly metal. Its charging port is Type-C. Let's go back to the truth. Its appearance style is relatively low-key and textured. The main body of truth is basically composed of a large area of fabric and metal. We can see the buckles on both sides. You can put the strap on it. On the top is the function button area. You can control the stereo from here. Let's talk about its vocal unit. There are 6 units of sound. 2 tweeters for woofers. The treble drive unit is 18 mm and the bass is 25 mm. This makes the high, mid, and low bass dynamic, powerful, and delicate. Listen and feel it.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million.